Day 313 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem where we're doing daily LeetCode problems. And today we have question number 287, find the duplicate number. The difficulty level is medium, but don't worry because we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as possible. But before we get started, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you need any new Apple AirPods, go ahead and check out that link in the description so you can get you some. Now let's see what the question says. Question says, given an integer array nums containing n plus 1 integers where each integer is in the range of 1 to n inclusive, there is only one repeated number in nums. Return this repeated number. You must solve the problem without modifying the array nums and use only constant extra space. All right, y'all, so that sounds simple enough, but let's go ahead and take a look at these examples so we can make sure that we're doing this problem correctly. So in example 1, we have the input nums equals an array of integers 1, 3, 4, 2, and 2. The output is 2. Output is 2 because there are duplicate 2's in this array right here, as you can see. So we're going to return the integer 2. Because that's the integer that has duplicates. So let's go look at example 2. Example 2 is pretty much the same thing. In example 2, we have input nums equals an array of integers 3, 1, 3, 4, and 2. This time the output is 3 because in this input, 3 is the integer that has duplicates, so that's what we're going to return, 3. So let's go ahead and look at example 3 in case they try to throw some tricks our way where all of the numbers are the same. So in input nums, input nums is an array of integers 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. And then the output is 3 because there are only 3's in this array. So this is the integer with duplicates. So it sounds simple enough. The hard part is just going to be solving the problem without modifying the array and using only constant extra space. But we'll get through it. So now that we understand the question, y'all, let's get into the fun part, the actual solution. Solution is not that difficult at all. Now, the first thing we are going to do, we're going to create a tuple, right, which is going to have our pointers. We'll call those pointers slow and fast. So in order to do that, we're going to declare a variable. We're going to open up the parentheses. We're going to say slow, comma, fast. And we are going to come outside those parentheses. And we are going to set that equal to, open up some more parentheses. We're going to say nums, square bracket, nums, square bracket, 0. Then we're going to come outside those square brackets. We're going to say comma. We're going to say nums, square bracket, nums, square bracket, nums, square bracket, 0. Just like that. Now, this is going to help us to detect cycles similarly to a linked list. So then we're going to come right here. This is where we're going to detect those cycles. So we're going to say while slow, exclamation point equals fast. So while slow does not equal fast, what we're going to do is we're going to move slow one step at a time. So in order to do that, we're going to say slow equals nums, square bracket, slow. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to move fast 2 steps at a time. So in order to do that, we're going to say fast equals nums, square bracket, nums, square bracket, fast. Just like that. Now we need to find the entrance to the cycle, or which is the duplicate number, right? So to do that, we're going to reset slow to the start of the array. We're going to come right here outside of this while loop, and we're going to set slow equal to nums, square bracket, 0. And then we're going to move both pointers 1 step at a time. We are going to say, come underneath this, we are going to say while slow, once again, exclamation point equals fast, slow, exclamation point equals fast. We're going to open up the bracket, and we're going to say slow equals nums, square bracket, slow, which is going to move the pointer 1 step. Then we're going to move fast 1 step. We're going to say fast equals nums, square bracket, fast. And then the meeting point is the duplicate number. So we could just come right here and we'll say return slow, just like that, y'all. So that should be all that she wrote. Let's go ahead and give it a run. Make sure it runs like it's supposed to. Okay, it's accepted. So let's go ahead and submit it. Make sure it's still accepted after we submit it. Let's see. Ooh, look at that, y'all. 12 milliseconds beats 43.26% of users with Swift. We'll get those numbers up as we continue down our LeetCode journey. Right now, we just want to be able to solve the problem that is presented to us. And right now, I feel like this is a good solution for that. Simple and easy to understand solution. So make sure y'all read over it, learn it, love it, internalize it. Make sure you know make sure you know what's going on here, y'all. And yeah, that concludes our problem for today. I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.